Hello everyone, today our new video, our new vlog in Deniz Istanbul. It will be, I missed making a video, I missed my cameraman Cihan. It's been long time past. Today, in a sunny day in the middle of December, we are going to visit Deniz Istanbul. Today we will understand whole Deniz Istanbul project and we will see two sample units. One of them is 3 beds apartment, one of them will be villa, and we will tour whole the project. Yes, Mr.Ender is calling. Ender Bey, where you are? In the sample apartment? I am not sure if we can find huge project.
I got a itch in my palm. My girl, she know she the one. I put the ice on her hand. I put some ice on her arm. See me shining in the light. Know you found me in the dark. Talking how you wanna leave. Girl, you made this far. Taking trips overseas. No, I won't be long. We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gas on the wrist. VVS is on the neck. Make it spin and don't stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend.
So we are right now one of two of the sample units in Deniz Istanbul. This is the apartment type. Then we will pass to villa type.
Yes, this is the Sedef compound. Actually, we are calling it Sedef 1. This is the 3+1 apartment. All our apartments is with the sea view. Actually, in our project, 90% apartment have a sea view.
Which floor right now we are?
Yeah, we are in the second floor. Right?
It's so surprising. At the second floor, I get a full sea view.
Some of the blocks even we have sea view from the ground floor.
Ground floor.
Yeah.
And there, if we mention the apartments, this one, how many meters square?
Yeah, this apartment is the 3+1 type and 200 square meters is gross. 146 square meters is net area.
What I see, there is a nice balcony, a good size.
Yeah, actually, our balcony size is very useful because I saw in many projects this balcony is 4 square meters and 5 square meters. Our balcony is the minimum is 7 square meters. That one is the over than 10 square meters.
Which makes it possible to dine like 6 people, enjoy the view.
Nowadays, some of the business behaviors is different right now. Everything is changing. If you are working at home, like in home office,
yeah.
If you have break, you have a nice time in the marina because we have a marina here.
You have fiber internet here also.
Yeah, also you can use the internet everywhere. There is a lot of well-known restaurants and coffee shops. You can work in the marina.
And you can own small motor yacht.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Let's tour the rest of the apartment with you.
Okay.
You first.
Thank you.
Do you allow the clients to purchase the apartments with the furniture, or do you do service for the decoration?
Yes, actually we have a furniture company. If someone want to buy with the furniture apartment, we can help them also from our company.
It's a good service.
Yeah. This is the living room. The entrance is there. And also this is the kitchen. All this stuff is included.
Except
fridge is not included.
this common in Turkey.
Yeah.
They don't give the fridge.
Cabinets, ovens, ventilation, and the dishwashing.
But maybe if anyone comes from the Sheriff the Broker video, we will give the gift as a fridge. Can we get a promise from you?
We will think about it.
Oh, there is walk-in wardrobe, and
Yes.
it takes you to the bathroom from there. Good size.
You can check inside if you want. If the clients they are like this decoration, we can providing also from our furnishing company.
This is I see sometimes they like the sample apartment. I want same like this, he says. Even the accessories.
Actually, we sold a lot of simple apartments with the furniture.
And each floor there are 2 units, so each apartment has 3 sides. There is a good that between the apartments. Right now I don't see any other apartments room.
Yes, exactly. This is the very important things, and in our project, this is very big advantage. This is another advantage for our clients. There is a very big space between each apartments. You can see there is enough space for the young person.
It shows that this project didn't design just on the commercial purpose. It is a
Yes.
living project. That the sizes,
exactly.
designs, sustainable project.
Actually, this layout is very useful for the family.
I liked it. So, Ender Bey, what is the next step?
Next step is will be our simple villa. We can see there because our villas is very different design, and you should see how is the quality differences.
I
between
heard
this
that you
apartment
sold
and
the sample villa.
Yes.